Your question is, when the same person is appointed as a governor of two or more states, the emoluments and allowances payable to the governor shall be. Your options are A, as expressed wish of the governor, B, as decided by the president, C, as decided by the home ministry, or D, it shall be allocated among the states in such proportion as the president may by order determine. Right answer is D. It shall be allocated among the states in such proportion as the president may by order determine. Your question is, the approval of ordinance promulgated by governor is necessary. Your options are A, by president, B, by the state legislature, C, by the ministers of a council of state, or D, none of the above. Right answer is B, by the state legislature. Your question is, who among the following articles of the Indian Constitution empowers the governor to issue the ordinance? Your options are A, Article 208, B, Article 212, C, Article 213, or D, Article 214. Right answer is C, Article 213. Your question is, the governor of a state 1. Is appointed by the president, 2. Holds office during the pleasure of the president, 3. Is the head of the state's executive power, 4. Normally holds office for 5 years. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. Codes. Your options are A, 1 and 2, B, 1, 2 and 3, C, 1, 2 and 4, or D, all the 4. Right answer is D, all the 4. Is appointed by the president, holds office during the pleasure of the president, is the head of the state's executive power, and normally holds office for 5 years. Your question is, under which article of Constitution of India the governor has the power to promulgate ordinances during recess of legislature? Your options are A, 155, B, 156, C, 212, or D, 213. Right answer is D, 213. Your question is, the governor of a state can promulgate ordinance during recess of legislature under which of the following articles of the Constitution? Your options are A, Article 123, B, Article 213, C, Article 220, or D, Article 219. Right answer is B, Article 213. Your question is, a state governor is appointed by. Your options are A, Central Cabinet, B, Chief Justice of Supreme Court, C, Speaker of Lok Sabha, or D, President of India. Right answer is D, President of India. Your question is, the appointment of a governor in a state is made as per the provision in the constitution under article. Your options are A, 153, B, 154, C, 155, or D, 156. Right answer is C, 155. Your question is, governor's salary and allowances are given by. Your options are A, Consolidated Fund of State, B, Consolidated Fund of India, C, Contingency Fund of the State, or D, both A and B. Right answer is A, Consolidated Fund of State. Your question is, which one of the following statements about the state governors is not true? Your options are A, he is a part of state legislature, B, he can pardon a sentence of death, C, he does not appoint judges of the state high court, or D, he has no emergency powers. Right answer is B, he can pardon a sentence of death.